Hello, today we are going to learn about transformations. In mathematics, a transformation is a process that describes how a 2D shapes move around a plane or coordinate system. And during your GCSE course, you are going to learn about 4 different types of transformations, and they are translation, rotation, reflection, and enlargement. Today, we will learn about translations. Translation is an example of a transformation, as I said, and is the one that moves the shape up and down or from side to side, but it does not change the appearance of the shape in any other way. And column vectors are used to describe translations. So this is what they look like. For example, here, the column vector 4 minus 3. The digit above, it shows how many units or centimeters or squares the shape is going to move horizontally. And if the number above here is positive, that means that the shape is going to slide, let's say, if you use another word, it's going to slide to the right. And if the number above is negative, that means that the shape is going to slide or move to the left. How many units? As many units as the digit shows, as the number shows. All right? So remember, the first one shows units to the right or to the left, and the second one shows how many units or squares of the book or centimeters, so it depends on the problem. So how many the shape is going to move up or down. If the number here is positive, that means the shape is going to move up, like this one here. But if the number is negative, that means the shape is going to move down. Sometimes you are going to find a combination, okay, of if it moves to the right, then you move down, or move to the left and down. Sometimes both of them are negative, so be careful. If both of the numbers are negative, then the shape will move or slide to the left and down. So pay attention to the sign of the numbers in the vector. Let's have a look at this triangle here. We are going to translate this triangle. The 8 minus 6, which means 8 units to the right, okay? And then 6 units down. Now, what we need to do first, we need to label all the new corner or vertices of the triangle. So where are they going to appear? So the image of the first figure. So we said 8 units to the right. Let's count. So this is 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is going to be right here, right? And then this one again is going to be 8. So every single vertex is going to move. It's going to appear 8 units to the right. And so this one is going to be 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right here. Okay. And then this one is going to be again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this is if we move the shape to the right, 8 units. But actually, the shape has to also move 6 units down, right? So now each of the new labeled point vertex, we're going to move it down now 6 units. So this one is going to move down 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and label this one in a different way. If you have a different color pen, you can use a different color pen. Let's do exactly the same thing with this point. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one will appear here. And the other point was here. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right there. Okay. So see how we worked with every vertices of the triangle, and this is how we cope with all 2D shapes. So plot the vertices first and then join them together. And now it is our time to join the points together. There you go. I'm sure the lines in your books are going to be so much straighter than these lines. Right. Yeah, this is our translated shape. Let's have a look now. There you go. That's the first and the second, and they exactly match. Let's have a look at this question. So sometimes the questions are going to look like this. It says, translate 10 units parallel with the line y equals 2 in the negative direction. Okay, there is no line y equals 2, so what do you need to do first? We need to draw the line y equals 2. So 1, 2 is here. So parallel line, parallel to this one. This is the y equals 2. And you have to translate 10 units in the negative direction, which means to the left. So there you go, 10 units. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is where this point is gonna appear. And the next one is going to be right here. Okay, without even counting sometimes, because you know it's going to be 3 less to the right of the first one. And this point here is going to appear again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right there. Okay, and now it's time for us to join all the points to the straight line. Please use a ruler in your books. It is very important in geometry to use rulers and to create perfect straight lines. Okay, so let's have a look. -10, 0. This is the vector. And there you go. They match. So that is the translation, the new image of the translated first triangle. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Now, sometimes you are going to have questions where you have both the object and the image, and then you need to find out the vector, such as this one here. So how do you find that out? Okay, so this is what we've done previously, but this is how you find out. So you have, this is the translated point of A prime here. So let's find out how many units that one moved. So it is 1, 2, 3. So let's create a vector. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 to the right. There you go, 8 to the right. And how many units down? So let's plot a little point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 6 down. Just like that. Just 1 point in this case. Because if 1 point moves 8 minus 6, or 8 to the right and 6 down, then every single point will move 6, the same directions. Right. There you go. So yeah, this is for now. So we just learned about translations. Follow exactly the same strategy with your exercises with your class teacher. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching my steps. Bye-bye.